Have my thoughts created all this? Whatever we see in the physical universe has been created in one way or another by our thoughts. This is because they are the creative force which then takes a physical form. The more creative our thoughts are, the more powerful our ability to create becomes. Everything starts as a thought. That's why it's critical to pay attention to each of them. They influence our feelings and these consequently control our actions. By controlling our thoughts, we can create our chosen reality. Any failure to have a proper command of our thoughts will result in our life becoming seemingly a series of random events, leaving us at the mercy of circumstances beyond our control. For example, if we worry about getting all those bills paid, all we can do is create more panic. Our thoughts are nothing more than frequencies or vibrations that resonate with similar vibrations which already exist. To explain this more clearly, place two guitars side by side and pluck a string on one of them. The string on the other guitar will start vibrating, even though we haven't touched it. It is the principle of resonance. Fascinating, isn't it?